Alex thought he was ordering a $12 burger combo, but somehow the final total became $25.45. So what happened? Today, you're going to break down this receipt like a financial detective and figure out how hidden costs quietly destroy your budget. Let's look at every single charge. The actual food costs $12.99, but then the app adds a $3.99 delivery fee, a $1.99 service fee, a $2 small order fee, a $1.47 in tax, and finally a $3 tip. When we add everything together, the total becomes $25.44. That means the fees and extra costs are almost the same price as the actual food. Now, let's calculate how much the price actually increased. First, we take the ending price and then take off the starting price. That'll give us the difference of prices. The next step is to figure out the percent it increased. Take the difference in price divided by the starting price. Then multiply by 100 to give you the percentage. So in this case, we take the order total of $25.44 and subtract the burger combo price of $12.99. The extra charges added $12.45 to Alex's order. Then take the $12.45 of extra charges and divide it by the burger combo price of $12.99. That gives you 0.958. Don't forget, you need to change the decimal to a percentage by multiplying by 100. That gives Alex a crazy 96% price increase. That's nearly double the advertised price. Wait, Alex forgot to get the student discount. The student discount was 5% on the burger combo price, but does it really save that much money? Let's look into it. Since cost of the burger combo is $12.99, we multiply that by 5%. First, we need to take the 5% and make it a decimal, so 5 divided by 100 is 0.05. Then multiply $12.99 times 0.05, and that gives you 0.649, so just say it's 65 cents. The burger combo is now $12.34. So even with the discount, those extra fees still make the order way more expensive than expected. If Alex orders it, he is draining his wallet by falling for the delivery scam. Is delivery really worth it? Let's check it out. That's suspicious. Why are the burger combos different prices? If those are a different price, is the tax even accurate? Take a look at the tax first. When looking at the amount of money for paid in tax, it may not be a big deal. It's just $1.50. Look at it a different way to see if it is a scam or illegal. The dollar amount of tax charged is figured out by multiplying the local sales tax percentage and the subtotal. Just so you know, the local sales tax is set by the local government, so it may be different than every area. In this case, the delivery app doesn't show the tax percentage, but it is easily figured out. The way we do it is kind of like the other ones done earlier, by taking the amount of tax divided by the subtotal and multiplying by 100. For the delivery app, the tax is $1.47, and the burger combo, which happens to be the subtotal, is $12.99. Divide 1.47 by 12.99, and that comes out to about 0.113. Multiply that by 100, and that gets to the percentage of 11.3%. That seems really high. What are the possible reasons it is so high? Did extra taxes get added? Could there be another fee included? Or is the restaurant in a location with unusually high tax? Look at the other receipt to try to figure it out. For Bob's, the tax is $1.17, and the subtotal is $10.39. Divide 1.17 by 10.39, and that comes out to about 0.113. Multiply that by 100, and that gets to the percentage of 11.3%. Since both have the same percentage of tax, makes sense the sales tax is high in the area. What about the price difference between the two combo burgers? Again, the price difference between the two doesn't seem like much, about $2.60. Think about it as a percentage, and it changes the picture. What is the percent markup for the delivery? The delivery price, $12.99. The pickup price, $10.39. Run it through just like before. The markup equals the price difference divided by original price times 100. Use low price as original price for comparison. So, in this case, the difference is $12.99 minus $10.39 is $2.60. The percent markup is $2.60 divided by $10.39, which is 0.25. Multiply that by 100, and it is 25%. That is a 25% increase on the burger combo before all the extra charges. At first, the burger combo looked like a solid deal. $12.99 doesn't sound terrible, but once Alex got to checkout, the total jumped all the way to $25.44. That's where consumer math comes in. First was the sticker shock, the percent increase. When a price jumps from reasonable to insane, you need to know exactly how much extra they're squeezing out of you. Remember the steps to finding the percent increase. Take the ending price and then take off the starting price. That will give you the difference of prices. The next step is to figure out the percent it increased. Take the difference in price divided by the starting price, then multiply your answer by 100 to give you the percentage. Next, we looked for the fake-out discount by investigating the student discount. The app offered 5% off, which sounded great at first. In order to find out the part of the subtotal, he took the subtotal, multiplied by the discount percent as a decimal. It came up Alex only saved about 65 cents. Then we became tax detectives, finding the actual tax rate. To check if the tax looked suspicious, we divided the tax amount by the subtotal and multiplied by 100. That helped us figure out the actual tax percentage being charged. And even though the tax looked super high at first, both receipts showed the same percentage, so the tax probably wasn't the scam. The real issue was the markup and extra delivery charges. Finally, we looked for the biggest trick in the book. The app raises the menu prices before they even calculate tax and shipping. Again, it is percent price increase. The markup equals the price difference divided by original price times 100, and remember to use low price as original price for comparison. The delivery version costs $12.99 before fees. That means the delivery app increased the burger combo by 25% before adding all the extra charges on top. All the investigation leads to the big conclusion that just because something looks cheap doesn't mean it actually is cheap. Apps, websites, and stores count on people rushing through checkout without checking the math. Smart shoppers slow down, calculate the real total, and investigate where their money is actually going. Because sometimes the biggest scam isn't the product, it's the hidden costs hiding behind the checkout button.